working remotely can sometimes be a challenge, especially if you are trying to stay connected while in rural parts of Iowa. Fortunately, there are a number of reliable wireless internet services providers, which can help you stay productive no matter where your job takes you. Here are some tips on how to make the most out of working remotely in Iowa's small towns. Head east and visit Cedar Rapids, home to a number of modern co-working spaces, as well as advanced facilities like private offices and fully equipped kitchens. Most importantly, there is plenty of high-speed wireless internet services available from multiple regional providers throughout the city, so connection speed won't be a problem, no matter where you need to work. Venture further east and discover the beauty of Des Moines. Boasting multiple co-working spaces, perfect for digital nomads looking for some extra space away from their usual desk setup. With Nomad Internet providing reliable services across rural areas, regardless if you are enjoying the city's attraction or just working remotely, you can still benefit from unbeatable speeds. Finally, explore Dubuque and experience its historic sites while making use of co-working spaces located around town. And don't forget that wireless internet services offered by Nomad Internet ensures that remote workers will never have problems staying connected when working in rural areas nearby too.